Okay, children, let's do the next interesting exercise. Here the picture was given. Already we have seen the pictures and we have seen the sounding letter also, but let's recall it, then we can get the sound and get the spelling easily. It will be practice, use it to practice it. Okay, let's read the heading. Circle the pictures. We want to circle the picture that end with CK sound. Okay, if the picture have a CK sound, we can make a circle. Then write the words in the blank. Okay, this is a blank. We want to write the blank words in the blank. Okay, children. Okay, let's do it. Let's see the first picture. What is this? This is neck. Very good. This is a neck. You are hearing any CK sound? Neck. Yes. So I am going to make a circle here. This is king. You are getting any CK sound or ing sound? King. No, you are not getting. So I am just putting the cross mark here. Okay. This is a chick. 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 You are getting any CK sound? Yes, you are getting a CK sound. So I am going to make a circle. This is brick. Brick. Okay, what is the usage of brick? You can use a brick for constructing the home, isn't it? You can, by using the brick, you can construct the home. Okay, you hearing any CK sound from the word brick? Brick. Yes, you are hearing a CK sound from the word brick. So I am going to circle. Okay, next, this is a cage. You are not supposed to hear any CK sound. Okay, just leave with this. This is crab, isn't it? Crab. Do you hearing any CK sound? Crab, crab. You are hearing a K sound, but along it's not a K sound. Crab, crab. Not a CK sound. Crab, not a scrab. Crab. You are getting any CK sound or CR sound? Crab, scrab, scrab. Getting a R sound, so it's not will come. Okay, let's write the spelling for neck. N E C K, neck. This is king. This is king, but it does not have a CK sound. But I'm just going to write the spelling for the word. K I N G, king. This is chick. C H I C K, chick. Okay, this is brick. B R I C K, brick. Okay, so neck having a CK sound, chick having a CK sound, and a brick having a CK sound. And we already seen the lot of letters which having a CK sound, isn't it, children? Okay, so I don't want you to getting bored always showing the same picture. So I'm moving to the next exercise. Okay, children, let's do the exercise. Actually, this is a not a new exercise, but here a lot of new pictures was given and we are going to find it out the new pictures here. Okay, children, let's do the exercise. Okay, what is the exercise? Let's read the heading carefully. Spell the words using the options given. Okay, spell the words using the options given. Okay, now you are going to find it out the each picture. Okay, you are going to find it out the each picture and then word. Okay, you can use the options here. Here the leftover word options was given here. You can, by using this, you can find it out the correct spelling for the particular word. Okay, let's do it with an interesting one. And let me start with the picture which everyone knows. Okay, let's do it with here. What is this? The very beautiful blue color bird, isn't it? Bird. Okay, what is the sound? B. bird, not a bad knot. It's not a bad. It's a bird. 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 E sound, isn't it? Bird. I R. Bird. Bird. Okay, let's do the okay, let's choose this picture. This is corn. Okay, this is a corn. You want to pick it out the word O R. Corn. You want to pick it out the word O R. Corn. You are going to pick it out. Did you find it out? Where the word OR from this option? Yes, where it is? Yes, here there is a 2 OR. I will tell you why the 2 OR is here in the option. Okay, just write it OR. Okay, let's move to this. What is this? You can find it out in autos, isn't it? Did you travel in auto? Yes, in auto you can find it out. What is this? If you press it, the sound will come. Horn. Very good. What is this? A horn. Okay, you want to find it out. O-R. Okay, you want to find it out the word O-R. Did you find it out? Yes. O-R. Where is O-R? Okay. Now you understand why the 2 O-R was given here. O-R. Okay, let's move to the next picture which knows easily for everybody. Okay, here this is a purse. Okay, mothers will keep the purse and your fathers will keep the purse, isn't it? Yes, this is a purse. Purse. Shorter sound. So, U and R. Or you going to find it out the 2-letter word U and R. Where is the letter U and R? Very good. Here the letter U and R. U and R. Okay, so far we have find it out 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, let's move to the next picture. What is this? This is a skirt. 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 I-R. You are going to find it out I-R. Where the letter I-R from the options? Yes, here is a I-R. I-R. Okay, let's do this. Who is she? She is in hospital, isn't it? Yes, I think she will put an injection. Okay, isn't it, children? If you go hospital, you will find it out. She's a nurse. Nurse. You are. You want to find it out the word you are. Actually, you have find it out already. You are for purse, but another you are will be given in the options for the word nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. Yes, at very first you are getting the word you are. You are. Okay, let's move to this picture. This is scarf. Scarf. What is this? This is a scarf. A-R. Scar. Scarf. Okay, you are going to find it out the 2-letter word A-R. Where it is? Yes, this is a A-R. I'm going to write it A-R. Okay, and the last picture, leftover picture is this is dart. Okay, this is a dart. Did you play this game anywhere using the dart? Yes, you want to throw it out on the correct spot, isn't it? This is a dart. A-R. Dart. You are going to find it out the A-R from the given option. Yes, here is a one more A-R. A-R. Okay, let's revise one more time. This is dart. D-A. Dart. R-T. Art. Horn. H-O. Here R is silent, but we want to make right, but you want to spell it. If you want to tell the word horn, you want to silent the word R. Horn. Horn. Skirt. Skirt. S-K-I-R-T, skirt. This is a nurse, N-U-R-S-E. Okay, if we want to silent the R, when we want to pronounce it, we want to silent the R, but when you want to write it, you put a R. But if you are telling the pronunciation or you are telling the word, you want to silent the letter R. This is bird, B-I-R-D, bird. This is corn, C-O-R-N, corn. This is purse, P-U-R-S-E, purse. This is scarf, S-C-A-R-F, scarf. Okay children, let's do the next exercise. Okay, let's do the next exercise. Okay, what is the exercise actually? Just read the heading carefully. Say the name of each picture loud. We want to say the name of each picture loud. Then we want to circle the which sound it makes. Okay, here the 3 sound was given. We want to pronounce we want to spell it out, or we want to tell the name of the picture loud, and we want to find it out which sound is getting actually. Okay, let's see the first one, then you can understand it easily. What is this? This is this is not a hand, but hand, but having a R sound. Arm, R, this is a AR. This is rose, but the question mark is here. Pour, getting a OR sound. This is charge, R, not a R, it's not a R or it's a R, church. Okay, what is this? This is card, yes, R, card. This is shark, R, shark. This is what is this? This is a shirt, sound, shirt. Okay, so here why this exercise is actually we're going to differentiate the sound of R, IR or IR. This A and R is different pronunciation when comparing OR. Or this is R. This is air. Okay, this is IR. You're having a strong IR sound, but you're having a starting A sound. A start with A and finish it with E. Air. This is starting itself E and finish also E. IR. Okay, for A, R. This is O, our, or. Okay, this is a different sounds between the R, air, or IR. Okay children, now you got the different sounds of the each and every word R sounds. Okay, let's move to the next exercise.